Hi there, welcome back. XMind is so much more than a mind mapping software. However, in this video, we'll cover the basics. We'll go over things like how to create a new mind map, how to make adjustments to the elements, and how to customize your own themes. Also, how to create new files from the library or from the XMind Gallery. Lastly, we'll go over using the XMind Share feature to generate a downloadable and shareable link to your files. Feel free to jump to your desired sections of this video with timestamps in the description box. When you open XMind, the interface presents a list of structures for you to jumpstart your mind mapping process. Let's see, we've got mind map, logic chart, brace map, organizational chart, tree chart, timeline, fishbone, tree table, and matrix. Unlike having pen and paper, this feature of XMind allows creativity to take place in the blink of an eye. You can choose the color of your choice here. I got to see a really pretty rainbow this morning, so I'm going to pick this color to suit my mood. Alrighty, here we have a mind map of my to-dos. Another way to change the color of your mind map is using the panel on the right. You can change the skeleton and color theme while you're mind mapping. Choose your desired color combo from the drop-down menu, or using this little dice, and let it generate random yet very balanced color combo for you. I'm good with the rainbow colored branches, so I'm going back to selecting this right here. Click the skeleton box to change the layout whenever. You can change the structure to think outside the box, and from time to time, changing up the format could sprinkle unexpected ideas onto what you already have. I'm good with the skeleton, so I'm just changing the style up a bit. Another tip here is that you can change the shapes of subtopics. For example, for these book titles, I like to change their shapes and have them put inside brackets. I select the subtopics while pressing down my command button, then going over to the right and select the angle brackets. And here's a quote I really like. It's placed here as a floating topic. Let's change the shape of this floating topic so it appears with quotation marks. And you can also adjust the font and size of your text here. Let's say you make changes to one subtopic. Then by clicking the update button, you can choose to apply this change to all subtopics or only of a certain level. I like all the font size to be the same. Therefore, by clicking the update button, we'll apply this change uniformly. Save your customized theme here for future usage. Make adjustments to branch lines, font, topic shapes, quick styles, and more to create a personal theme for a one-of-a-kind mind mapping journey. You can start with a mind map template provided by XMind here. Browse the templates given and double-click the desired map to have it show up on your XMind interface. Click on More Maps to enter the XMind Gallery, which you can also reach from our official website. On this page, you'll be able to see mind maps created by other users, and all mind maps here are open for public downloading. Use this place to help you spark new ideas on content, layout, color combinations, or simply to download existing mind maps and use them as templates. Here you can view the mind maps and you can enter the pitch mode. Click the top right button to release the drop-down menu. You can share this document here. You'll also see the information regarding the creator, time, and size of this mind map. Click Download to download the .xmind file to your computer, or just click the Open with App button to have it open in XMind directly. After you've completed your mind map and wish to share it with a link that can be viewed in browsers, just go to File, Share, then click on XMind Share. Choose what you like to export, the entire workbook or the current sheet. You can also check the box and have your mind map displayed on the XMind Gallery page for other users to use and download. Then, by clicking the Upload and Create link, an URL will be generated for you to copy and share with others. For further assistance, please visit our FAQ page or contact our tech support accordingly, or simply leave a comment down below. Also find contact of the sales group at this email address. Follow our social media platforms for new updates, big announcements, promotions, or special giveaways. Until next time, happy mind mapping!